Are you tired of dealing with slow hair growth, excessive hair fall, and thinning hair? You're not alone. But guess what? You don't need expensive products or salon treatments to get thick, luscious hair. Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful home remedies that will transform your hair naturally. So stay with me till the end because you don't want to miss these life-changing tips. Remedy number 1, the magic of onion juice. Let's start with a powerful ancient remedy, onion juice. It may not smell great, but trust me, it's a game changer for hair growth. Onion juice is packed with sulfur, which boosts collagen production, strengthens hair follicles, and stimulates hair regrowth. Blend or grate 1 onion and extract the juice. Apply it directly to your scalp using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. Remedy number 2, coconut oil and curry leaves infusion. Coconut oil is a holy grail for hair care, but when you infuse it with curry leaves, it becomes an unstoppable hair growth booster. Curry leaves are rich in proteins, beta-carotene, and antioxidants that nourish the scalp and reduce hair fall. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add a handful of fresh curry leaves. Let it sizzle for a few minutes until the leaves turn crispy. Strain the oil and apply it warm to your scalp and hair. Massage gently and leave it overnight for best results. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and say hello to thicker, healthier hair. Remedy number 3, green tea hair rinse for faster growth. Did you know green tea isn't just great for your health, but also works wonders for your hair? It's loaded with antioxidants and catechins, which help block the hormone responsible for hair loss and boost hair regrowth. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. After shampooing, pour the green tea over your scalp and massage it in. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Remedy number 4, DIY avocado hair mask for deep nourishment. If your hair is dry, brittle, and breaking easily, you need to try this DIY avocado hair mask. Avocados are rich in biotin, vitamins A, D, E, and fatty acids that deeply condition and strengthen hair. Mash half an avocado and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply it evenly to damp hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. Remedy number 5, aloe vera scalp treatment for hair growth and shine. Last but definitely not least, aloe vera. This miracle plant contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, control dandruff, and promote hair regrowth. Extract fresh aloe vera gel and apply it directly to your scalp. Massage it in and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with water. Do this twice a week for hair grows stronger, healthier, and shinier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video.